What's your name?
Prakriti, I am a SEM physiotherapy student of Garden
What's-
City University. My name is Sarah.
Okay.
So we have, as a physiotherapist, we give treatment in the clinic. But sometimes we have to suggest to do exercise at home. Some people deny and they say they have done, but they have not done it. To monitor them whether they have done it completely or properly or not, we have this. So this is the virtual expand. So this band will be given to the patient and one will be given to the therapist. The patient, whenever he wears, he has to do the exercise. He has to wear it and scan it through this app. And after scanning it, the therapist will receive that your patient has started doing your exercise. After this protocol will be customized according to the patient's history, his injury, everything. If he has his shoulder injury, according to that, the exercises will be customized. When he has to raise his hands for 10 times, 10 repetitions. Then it will show you have to do 10 repetition. Raise your hand. So like this, we'll also have a cam so that we can see if he is doing properly. In this way, we'll have a therapist and the patient connection properly. So after finishing everything, you'll have a table or something where it will get ticked that the person for today has done home exercises, everything. So in this way, treatment will be fast. He'll recover fast. Then if the person is not recovering with the same treatment, we can also change it. But without home exercises, home exercise plays like more important role.